Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 11, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 11, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 11, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 11, 2024 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 121.5 million pesos for March 11, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of March 11, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.